As someone who's like incredibly mold aware now, you also realize that any kind of travel accommodations or temporary lodging, I mean, you talk about some of the worst places for mold on the planet, and it's, your affordable rate hotel that you're having to go for work or things like that. And it's,
Yeah, they have those in-air, like the in-window air units that clearly have condensation dripping into them. You walk in, you turn the key and open it up and go in, and it smells musty as soon as you walk in. Those are the common unit, and those are the units that are going to still make you just as sick.
Exactly. And so it's, it does become for some people like this incredibly overwhelming thing about like, how do I ever get well because I can't escape it? But and another piece of what my dad, told me and my kids, it was really funny. He was like, I want you to go to the nearest Walgreens or CVS, and I want you to get a Neomed or a nasal irrigation thing. And, it was really funny. He was like telling me that I needed to like help my children irrigate their nose, with even just simple saline, just to like try to lessen the exposure and to like remove as much of, what was moving around up in our sinuses as possible. You really do realize how much the inhalation piece and addressing it as soon as you can is so important, because it just, I guess it knocks down the influx almost immediately, which is super helpful.
He told you to give your nose a shower.
Yeah, he was like, clean it out. And he was like, do it a couple of times a day in the midst of trying to send us some products to help us too.